Hey guys, DJ here, the ADU Pro at our project on Clydesdale in the city of Moreno Valley. And like I always say in my videos at the beginning, a lot has happened since our last video. As you can see, all our drywall is done. All our primer is done. Now this is not the final coat of paint. The client just chose a paint color that we'll get up, but everything's ready to go. Primer's up, we primer our walls before we paint them. Just to keep the drywall dust off. You really can't see in the video here. Oh, there you go. We do a light orange peel. That is what you see in your house when you look at the drywall. It's not smooth, but it's a teeny bit of an orange peel look. And that's what we do here at our ADUs. We're in the middle of installing doors. Our standard doors are a 6-panel. Let me get back here so you can see it. A 6-panel hollow core door, and these will be painted bright white along with the baseboard and casing that's going to go in here. We do a craftsman style 4.5-inch baseboard with a 2.5-inch casing that goes around all our doors. All our floor is just about installed. My crew informed me yesterday that we ran a little short. So the client actually, I gave them our flooring samples. We have about 25 different flooring samples, but they opted to go with this one. It's a laminate wood and simulated wood, and not a vinyl simulated wood that we normally use, but this is what this client want, and we put in what you want, not what we want to give you. We also got all our Hardie backer in. Now what that means for you first time watchers is this is a cement board that goes inside of the shower, which makes it waterproof, and then we RedGard it so it seals. You can see how we taped all the seams and then put this RedGard vapor barrier up, rolled it on to more waterproofing. Our hot mop, as I showed in a previous video, has already been done and passed, so we'll also start getting tile installed in this. So a lot has happened. But any questions about building an ADU, please DM us at the link below or give us a call at 800-929-9812, and myself or one of our wonderful staff will be more than happy to answer your questions you may have. Guys, thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. Please give us more likes. Subscribe to our channel so you can keep up on our work. DJ, the ADU Pro, out.